Today we will be testing a EMA cross strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing an EMA cross strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 560 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator and our new Fractal candles indicator in a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing an EMA cross strategy. And so the source video says, combine these two free indicators for insane profits. And so of course, we'll put this to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the backtest single EMA. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings of this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down near the very bottom here. And what we're going to do is modify the EMA 1 to 45 and the EMA 2 to 90. Everything else can stay on the default settings. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the MACD. This is the moving average convergence divergence. It's just the standard built-in trading view indicator. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one. And what we're going to do is we are going to change the fast length to 100, the slow length to 200. And then we are going to move the time frame up one notch or one multiple of whatever time frame we are on. So for example, we are on the 15-minute time frame, so we moved it up to the 30-minute time frame. Then jump into the styles. And what we're going to do is the color 0, we're going to make a nice vibrant green color. The color 1, we're going to make a kind of light gray color. Color 2, also the same light gray. Color 3, a nice vibrant red. Then we're going to click here where it's usually on histogram. We're going to change this to area. Go ahead and click that. Then we're going to uncheck the MACD and the signal line right here. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade example. So we are looking for a sell tag like this here from the EMA cross indicator. We're then going to look down to the MACD and we want it to have a red background like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here. And we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we make this push to the downside, we pull back up, run into consolidation, then this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for is we are looking for a buy tag like this here from the EMA cross indicator. We're then going to look down to the MACD and we want it to have a green background like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade here. I'm going to put our stop just right below this little kind of pivot area that was formed right here. And we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And this one has very similar results. We make a little bit of a push to the upside, we pull back and consolidate a little bit and then make a nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $12,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at a break even $0, not including any spreads or commissions, and so most likely down a decent little amount. So as far as insane profits go, doesn't look like this particular setup is going to really achieve that. Now, just as an example to show how beneficial our new fractal candles indicator is, I've added it to the screen and I ran the same testing during the same period of time to see what kind of results we could get out of this strategy if we incorporated the new Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candles. And during the same period of time, we did 30 trades altogether. We had 16 winning trades and 14 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 54% win rate. And so if you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking the same $400. That would have put your total loss at $5,600. And that would have put your total profit and loss at a positive or gain of $4,000. And so you can see how using the Academy of Forex indicator, higher time frame fractal candles, was able to filter out a lot of those bad trades while keeping the good trades still intact, turning this strategy here from a break even or loss of a little bit to a nice little profit of $4,000. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 44 trades altogether using the Fractal Candles indicator and the flagship Academy of Forex indicator, and we had right at a 74% win rate and a total gain right at $15,000. And so definitely better results. But again, you can see how the new fractal indicator can be used to enhance strategies that may be lacking or maybe just a little profitable, and you really want to give them that extra boost. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's going to put us at the end of the testing on this one. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list unless you want to use the new fractal candle indicator to push it onto your own yes list. In that particular case, join our Patreon down below. And we'll move on to the next video from here.